Make it woof at Scout. Say, Scout, come here. What does he say? What does the puppy say? Can you make him get this? Look, here's his bag. Get it in his mouth. Watch. Watch. Okay, you do it. Is it silly? Can you tell Miss J and Mr. Ken thank you?
Bye.
Or Grandma, as you called her? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say love you.
Love you.
Say thank you.
Love you.
You love your presents?
Yeah, I do.
Are you hiding your keychains in the puppy? What does the puppy say?
I found.